Hi, welcome to the Native Wildman channel. Your host, Sean Catfish Wilson. And on today's video, Christmas gift from my brother-in-law and sister. And I got some pretty cool stuff over Christmas. I've got a survival blanket tarp thing. It can be set up as a tent. Some Bleed Stop, Ozark Trail first aid kit, and the blankets Ozark Trail. I'll go over that stuff in a later video. And sorry about not posting for a couple weeks-ish. I was on vacation, so I just went on vacation for everything. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas and enjoyed time with your family or loved ones. So, let's see, the first box. Let's see, we've got this thing, a Bill Dance lure, a hard crankbait, I'm not sure what type they call it. Got some poppers. I think they call these torpedoes. Another topwater. These topwater. These are topwater, just a bigger version of these. These are crankbaits. And this, since it's got metal lip, I don't know if they still make them with, well, this looks pretty new. Maybe they do make them with metal lips still. Okay, this is one I made. I need to, it was working halfway good. I need to adjust it so it works better. These are just little, like, rattle traps, big rattle traps. See, I've got a few different colors. And this is like a jitterbug, except for I think it's a jitter rat. No, jitter mouse. Both similar mammals, right? A rat and a mouse. This is a cicada. And actually, some of these top waters are small enough to be used on. You're going awfully fast, dude, for a 30. Okay. Got these little crankbait things here. Really good for walleye. They're shallow runners. Got a couple more. These are deeper divers, I believe. I'm not as familiar with using crankbaits and stuff, but I am excited to use these top waters. Okay. And this here. Okay, this is one I found at the poo hole. This is like a expensive lure. I looked it up. I think the cheapest one of this brand is like $30 per bait. And I think this one was even more than 30. Got your traditional big jitterbug. Got a couple medium jitterbugs. And then another jitter rat mouse. Another torpedo thing, top waters. And this one I bought at Academy. So this one. This one. And this one I already had. But since I got all these nice new nifty crankbaits, I decided to add it in with the crankbaits. And since I like to fish and have to walk sometimes to fish, I had to get myself. I went on the wild side today. Never fails. Try to shoot a video in my front lawn and front yard on my porch. Somebody noisy has to come by. I know a few of you out there can relate to starting to record a video, then a trash truck or a noisy vehicle, or some cases an airplane. Airplane! Oh wait, there's no airplane today. But they are pretty noisy. Luckily I don't have as many fly over, but I do see quite a bit landing when I'm at pot 2. So okay, got this bag. It's a hemp bag. It's got more pockets than I really need. The other one that I was gonna pick, they were both the same cost. This one had zippers, and this is why I got it. Opens up. Also has a compartment here. That inside compartment, so it has a few compartments. And if you creek fish, or have places where you walk to, or you need to make a long walk, why carry a bulky tackle box when you can get a few bags that you can sling? That one you'll sling over your back. You get one that you can sling over your shoulders, like my green bag that I have all my soft plastics in. And these are hemp, so they're gonna last. Has peace signs on it, man. Peace signs. Now, what I should do is take a green marker and trace a Vulcan sign on it. Okay, now I'm becoming too nerdy. I don't know if you guys think that's a good idea. If you think I should trace a Vulcan sign on my bag, say live long and prosper in the comments. Alright, now as you can see, I got room for more. Or maybe this little compartment can be for, you know, people like to have munchies when they go out fishing. Let's see. Yeah, I can fit some munchies in there. And oh, hey. And hey, looky there, voila, voila. I can fit my teacup in there. And today's Earl Grey is not from Radina's Bakehouse because I did laundry, so I went to a place in Aggieville called the Public Hole, I think. And I've got a really good sausage, egg, and cheese on a kind of hamburger bun thing. It's called something different, I can't remember. They add mayonnaise to it though, so I have to remember to tell them not to put mayo on it. I don't care for mayo and really too much of anything unless it's on tuna fish, and then just light. I'm not into mayo too much. But as far as artisan breads go, right here is the best artisan bread. And again, I'd like to thank On the Wild Side for carrying some pretty nifty bags for I use them for fishing, but you can use them for anything you can use a bag for. Maybe you like to hike a lot, and maybe you want something to put a first aid kit in, some munchies, maybe a knife will fit in there. Maybe a small survival blanket could also fit in there. Numerous things. So it's up to you what you would want to use it for. But these hemp bags are pretty durable and will last a good while. My other ones, I've had them for a couple years, and they're not showing really hardly any sign of wear and tear other than being stretched out from being packed like you just ate Thanksgiving and Christmas in one meal. Anyways, I hope you all have a happy New Year's. Peace and long life.